Hey Spline gang, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how to build this MC Escher looking house. We're going to be using the Boolean tools and spline modeling to get it done.
But first, if you're a Spline user or artist of any kind, please click the like and subscribe buttons. I make a ton of Spline tutorials and this will help me, you, and all the Spline community out there in finding them and staying connected. Alright, let's get started.
First, you're going to want to make a cube. Hold down Shift, any size you want. Set the position to zeros. Set the rotation to zeros. Hit enter. Reset your camera. Hit isometric. Zoom out a bit if you want. Now Spline is making the corners rounded and the edges rounded on the cubes recently. I don't know why that is. It's pretty annoying, but you just got to get rid of them. And we're going to set the size of this cube to 200. Cool. Alright, we'll make it any color we want. Go with purple for now. And what we're going to do is right click on the cube and duplicate it. Now we're going to take the duplicated cube and set its position to 10, 10, 10. So we're going to have two cubes here now, one offsetted on the other, as you can kind of see. And what we're going to do is select them both and hit the Boolean modifier subtract option. And that'll give you this little inset square space that's going to be the, the space for our rooms in this little house that we're building. So, next thing we're going to do is right click that space and duplicate it again. And now we're going to take the duplication and set the position to negative 200, 200, and 0. And that'll align it up top with this one. Right click the first one again and duplicate it. And we'll take the Boolean number 3 and set that one to 0, 200, negative 200. Now we have 3 little rooms that we can work with. We'll make each one a different color just for fun. Find something that you like, find some colors that go well together. Complementary colors always work well if you know your color theory. Yeah, so there we go. There we have the start of our little house. You can make it any color you want. Set the background maybe to something funky, or even just black is always fun, or dark gray. Cool. So now we got the 3 rooms. What we're going to do with the 3 rooms now is we're going to select them all and duplicate the selection of 3. Now we're going to have 2 of those, and we're going to set this new group to negative 300, 500, negative 300. Ready? Negative 300, 500, negative 300. Oh, didn't really work. Oh, I see why. So what we're going to do now is select all the rooms, right click it and hit group selection and collapse this group over here. That'll be our first group of 3 rooms. And now we're going to select the group itself and right click the group and duplicate that. Then what we'll do is move that up. If we have our snapping option on, that might assist a little bit in getting the rooms into the right place. And what you're going to find is when you get it about right, it'll be near the numbers that are the perfect numbers. So it says negative 500, so that's going to be negative 500 from 510. This one says 395, so that's going to be 400, right? And this one says negative 501, so that's going to be probably negative 500. Cool. Now we have 2 sets. Duplicate this again. Move it over into this section over here. And you'll find that all the math for these positions of the groups will be, you know, similar numbers. So you'll be able to use the math and the numbers to get these into the positions that you want. So here, for instance, this is going to be 100, 300, negative 500. Cool, and you can keep doing that until you have, you know, a build the size that you want. Make it funky, mess around with it, and then now we'll start adding the stairs and the doorways and the windows and the fire pole and all sorts of other cool stuff in part number 2. Hope to see you there. Thanks for checking it out, guys. See you soon.